Hey guys, welcome to Behind the Recipe. We've got our cold cucumber soup. It's looking really good. Ready to taste it?
I tip it to see, you can see what's in it, but
You can't.
it's gonna spill.
Okay, so it's cold and it's cucumber soup and it's got Asian pear in it and it's got garlic in it, and we garnished it with some chopped tomatoes, chopped cucumber, and sliced almonds and a little bit of olive oil on the top. So nice.
Oh, that's really nice. It's cool.
Cool and
Cool on a
delicious.
hot night. That's great.
Forget the spoon.
I know.
I'm just sipping it. Cheers.
Cheers.
In my grandma's glasses.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That's special.
You guys, this is so good. It's raw, it's clean, it's refreshing, it's healthy, hydrating, good for your skin, good for your cells. I mean, this is just one healthy package right here, and it's inexpensive to make, it's quick to make. You can, feed a lot of people on this.
It's delicious.
You can have little shot glasses of it at a cocktail party. Cold is like a nice starter. It's great to an appetizer at a meal. It's great with a green salad. What do you think, Parks?
It's delicious. It's really nice. On a hot summer night like tonight, it's great. Well done. Well
To
done.
you,
To you.
to us,
To us.
and to you guys.
To you. And everyone.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll be back. See you soon.